Right, I'm going to start it up and see if I can hear that noise, and if we can hear if it starts fine. Okay, now it seems it doesn't even want to start at all. So today we've got this Chevy Orlando. Customer had another engine put in about a year ago, hasn't run right since. Also throwing a fault code P0011, which means the intake cam is over advanced. So what we found is when we loosened it, this is your timing plate, so it's supposed to slide into like that one slides into the cam there. That's also supposed to slide in, but it doesn't because it is off by about that much. So that looks like it could roughly be a tooth that it's out. So while we're at it, we're going to change the intake phaser because the VVT solenoid has got a torn screen, and that screen, if it hasn't gone into the phaser, there's still a danger that it might go into the phaser. So we're changing the VVT solenoids, the phaser, and we are correcting this timing fault. So this thing must be torqued down to 50 Newton meters plus 120 degrees plus 15 degrees. Okay, well, here goes the tensioner. So when doing this rear VVTI solenoid, I suggest putting a piece of rag underneath it, because if you drop one of the bolts there, it's a nightmare to retrieve it. Smooth like butter.